Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet these one colored and more colored granny squares. I know for these granny squares are many videos, but in the next video I will crochet the similar granny square but with 4 colors in one row with this spiral pattern. And so you can have all these granny squares on one channel. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. For the granny squares I used the cotton yarn, but if you want you can use acrylic yarn or any yarn. We need matching crochet hook, scissors, sewing needle. As a first I will crochet these one colored granny squares. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the ring, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the ring, and 3, again chain 2, 3 double crochet in the ring, and 3, and last time chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the ring, and 3. Now pull yarn and close the ring, and at the end chain 1 and finish round with a single crochet in this second chain stitch. Pull yarn and pull yarn. It was first round. Second round, chain 2, 2 double crochet in this hole, chain 1, and in this hole 3 double crochet, and 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in the same hole. 1, 2, and 3. Again chain 1, in the next hole 3 double crochet, three, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, chain 1, in the next hole the same, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, three, chain 1, and in the last hole 3 double crochet, and 3, finish round, chain 1, and in this second chain stitch 1 single crochet. Next round, always on the begin, chain 2, 2 double crochet in this hole, 2, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next hole, and 3, again chain 1, and here in the corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. This repeat to the end of round. 3 double crochet in the last hole, chain 1, and 1 single crochet in this second chain stitch, and now looks like this. And next round again chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same hole, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the corner, always 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and so you can crochet so many rounds how many you want. I crocheted only 6 rounds, 4 video is enough. And now in the last round, in the last hole, I crochet 3 double crochet, and now chain 2, cut yarn, and I will sew the last stitch, and here in this 1, 2, 3, in this third stitch from the front to the back, both 2 loops, and here in this last chain stitch only in the back loop from the front to the back, and sew yarn on the back side, and now I have the same number of stitches on all 4 sides. And 1 colored granny square is finished. For colored granny square I use these 4 colors, but you can use any colors. I start with this one, and I start with the magic ring. It's the same like by 1 colored, and crochet first round, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the ring, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the ring, again chain 2, 3 double crochet, and 3, and last one, chain 2, and now only 2 double crochet in the ring, and 2. Now pull yarn and close the ring, and in third double crochet I will change the colors. Yarn over, grab yarn, pull through these 2 loops. Now this yarn come to the back, and I put second color, and through these 2 loops, chain 1, and 1 single crochet in this second chain stitch. Pull this yarn and close the ring, and now second round, chain 2, 2 double crochet in this hole, 2, chain 1, 3 double crochet in this hole, and 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in the same hole, and 3, chain 1, and in this hole the same, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and in this hole the same, and this repeat to the here. In the last hole 2 double crochet, and 2, and now change the color, grab yarn through 2 loops, yarn to the back, I put the next yarn through these 2 loops, chain 1, and 1 single crochet in this second stitch. And next round, chain 2, 2 double crochet in this hole, 1 and 2, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next hole, chain 1, and this repeat to the end of round here in the corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and you can crochet so many rounds, how many you want, and you can change colors how you want. I crochet a few rounds and then see you later. I crocheted 10 rounds and my granny square looks like this. In the last round I crochet 3 double crochet in the last hole, and 3. Now chain 2, cut yarn, and I will sew the last stitch again. Pull this yarn, and now here in this third stitch from the front to the back through both loops, and in this second chain stitch only through the back loop, and we have the same number of stitches. Sew all yarns on the back side, but 1 yarn this way, 1 yarn this way. I sewed the yarns on the back side and the granny squares are ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.